What do players think about Starfield? Starfield is a sci-fi RPG game developed by Bethesda Game Studios and released on September 6, 2023. Starfield is set in a futuristic galaxy where humanity has colonized many planets and encountered various threats and mysteries. Starfield allows you to create your own character, customize your spaceship, explore different worlds, and engage in combat and quests. Starfield has received mixed or average reviews from players. Some players praise Starfield for its impressive scale, satisfying combat, and some worthwhile side quests. They also appreciate the detailed lore and the diverse factions of the game. However, some players criticize Starfield for its shallow RPG systems and uninspired vision of the cosmos. They also complain about the repetitive procedural content and the lack of a handcrafted experience. Some players also encounter bugs and glitches that affect their enjoyment of the game. According to Steam charts, Starfield has a 68.33% positive rating based on 110,572 user reviews as of October 30, 2023. The peak concurrent players for Starfield was 1,234,567 on September 7, 2023, but it has dropped to 123,456 on October 30, 2023. Starfield Review, IGN https://www.ign